We got the whole crew out here at Anclote. Dan, Cynthia, and Cindy.
Finally got her out, right?
No! Yeah, she's been here forever, right? She's never come out with us.
She's never come out.
Yeah, it's like Berkshire Hathaway. I mean, it's a sheer circle.
Right.
I mean,
Wow. That's freaking low.
Hey, can you camp here overnight? I want to ask you. It
Looks like you can.
I'll do offshore fishing.
Offshore fishing?
Yeah. I haven't done it, but you definitely can. I can't think anybody will do it with me.
You can camp?
Yeah.
Oh, hell.
These guys look like that's what they do.
wow, that's
I mean, that looks like what they're doing.
Sorry. I love camping.
Hold
I
it
love
steady
camping
till we
and-
walk.
Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Whoa, that's a decent size. Look at that.
Nice job.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
What is it? Largemouth bass?
Holy smokes, that's a great.
Oh, that's awesome.
Fucking great catch.
What kind of fish is it?
Snook.
It's snook.
nice.
Okay. I saw the big one mouth of it in.
Is that something you eat or release?
They're out of season right now, so you gotta release them.
But if in season, that's a
They're really good.
Nice.
nice work. How you doing?
Good, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing great. We're out here, right?
That's right. In paradise.
Doesn't get any better, man. Enjoying our backyard, and I'm very thankful
That's
for
right.
our veterans,
Absolutely.
and all the ones that give their life so that we have what we get to enjoy. And
That's right.
We got to represent. you
That's
know?
absolutely.
Good.
Good. Yeah, isn't that right?
I dressed up for Memorial Day.
You had white and red.
Well, it's something. That's the Alzheimer's color.
Right?
Wow. So spoiled. Watch your anchor there.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's a little small boat. Look at that one.
Yeah. Yeah, back in Michigan, my sister and her brother-in-law used to have what they used to call the cigar boat.
Oh yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Yeah, big, long,
Bass boat.
yeah.
Loud.
Yeah. Which I don't care about.
Right, yeah. Yeah, no,
I'd
definitely
rather
not my
have
thing.
something like this.
Yep. There's that mat.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I've seen them like that, and I've seen other times.
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Oh, they're gonna do a little baby grill out.
I know. I can look